Hi everyone, this is Subasri, Assistant Professor, Computer Science and Engineering from SNS College of Engineering and Technology. Okay, today let me explain what is object-oriented programming. Okay, in this upcoming lecture series, we'll be seeing about the structure of object-oriented programming, concepts of object-oriented programming, and how we can use this object-oriented programming in your real-time applications. Okay, actually this object-oriented programming concepts is being used in various programming languages like it is used in Python, Java, C, C++, and all the programming language we are using this OOPS concept. So while you are using some concept in this all the programming languages, we need to know what it is, right? So today I'll explain you the basic, that is what is object oriented programming, the definition for the object oriented programming. Okay, right? Let me just get into the slides. So what is the object oriented programming? Your object oriented programming, which is said to be as your computer programming model, which will organizes the software design around the data or the objects rather than the function and the logic. Okay, it is like a computer programming model which is organizing your designs which you are using in the software, that is data. Okay, your data is being organized with the help of this object oriented programming. So to organize this data, you need few steps to be followed, right? That to organize a particular data, example you can take it may be your organization data about your employee data or student data or anything it may be. You need some name to organize the things, right? Or you need some number to organize the things. So to do that process, we'll be using some attributes and methods. Okay, so that is said to be as your objects can be organized with the help of your attributes, methods, your function name, field name, etc., all those things. Okay, so an object which can be defined as a data field that has a unique attributes and a unique behavior. Okay, this OOPS concept, which mainly focuses on the objects that the developer want to manipulate rather than the logic he required to manipulate them. Okay, this approach is a programming which is well suited for programs that are very complex, large and actively maintained. Okay, this also includes the program of manufacturing and designing, as well as it is used for the mobile applications. For example, OOPS can be used for manufacturing your system simulation software. This is, I am just saying, a real-time example which you can use the object-oriented programming concepts. So the organization of object-oriented programming, which also makes the method beneficial to your collaborative development, where the projects are divided into certain groups. Okay, so additional benefits of using this OOPS, which include your code reusability. When you use this OOPS concept, your reusability of code will be increasing and scalability also will get increased, and also your efficiency of code will become higher. Okay, so the first step in your OOPS is to collect all the objects from the programmer, and he wants to manipulate and identify how they will relate with each other. That is, like if you are taking a data modeling, you first need to analyze how the data are being related and how you can use that particular data, right? So that is the first step you need to do. Okay, then examples of these objects which can be range from any physical entities such as your human being, who is described by the properties like your human being. Now will be describing our properties like we'll be calling out our names, right? We will be having our names, our address, and to computer it may be differ like such widgets. So computer will have some apps and will name all the apps with particular names, right? So same as human beings will have their name, address and their unique identity. If it is a student, he will be having his ID number, or if it is faculty will be having their faculty ID. So like this will be just splitting off our data. That is said to be as your objects. So once this object is known, it is labeled with the class of objects. which will define the kind of data it contains, okay, and any logical sequence that can manipulate. So each distinct logical sequence, which is known as your method, and this objects can communicate with well-defined interfaces called as message. So this is about what is an object-oriented programming. As I said, in upcoming slides we will be seeing about the structures of object-oriented programming. Thank you.